guys, it's Abe, and he's going to show you today's video how to hold a pair of chopsticks.
Good job. Hey, taught a minute.
In minutes.
So, key is you stick right here. This one don't move.
Hi. Oh.
Too late. I got it. Next class.
Thank you. Uh-huh. Thank you. Nuggets. Nuggets.
Fried nuggets.
Fried nuggets. Somebody ordered those here. That's you. Latrice is like, somebody ordered that. Okay. Hey. Thank you. Thank you. This is... Dude, are you... Oh, wow.
I'm still on me to teach?
Yeah. I'm still waiting.
Cool. So, like I said before, this stick right here on the remover. Alright, so you want to put this one stick, first one you use in between, like right here on this part of your feet, your hand, right here, and you need to let it rest right here on your bird finger, your middle finger. Right here, right? Okay, it's like that. You take this stick, this is the one that's going to move. Okay, it's the one you pinch with, put pressure on this. You still have to have somewhat pressure on this so this don't fall out your hand. This is the one that you control with this and this, okay? So, like I said, you're going to hold it. See how I got pressure on this? This thumb kind of is keeping it in place. It's laying across this part of my finger, and then this middle finger, it also lays across right here, okay? So then you bring these two, this thumb and the pointer finger together like that, all right? Now once you got it like this, it's the basic. You master this, you halfway there, right? So you got it too. So you master this. Lemonade, right?
Thank you.
Appreciate it, man. There you go. So you got it right here, you halfway there, all right? So now what you want to do is you want to kind of move it, adjust it so that it's right for you. So I might need to slide back a little bit more. This needs to slide up some so that I'm in a pinching position. And it's all right to go ahead and play with it a little bit. Get it just right to where you got like a V. See the V? So you got to get the feel for it. You ain't gonna get it right away. Keep playing around with it, you'll eventually get it. So now, remember I told you these two are the only one that move? This is all the motion that you need right there, alright? That's all you need. Okay, this never moves. Alright? So now that you got this, you can pick up pretty much anything. Grain of rice, piece of sand, look, I'm gonna pick up that, see that little tiny little piece of seed? I'm gonna pick it up. Damn. Takes a little practice.
Daddy, just grab the sushi.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to show how good I am. Anyway.
No, Daddy, just show him off by just grabbing up the sushi.
Yeah, all right. I'm going to do it. But you got to adjust it a little bit better, all right? You know what I'm saying? So we're going to go back to the drawing board. Adjust this a little bit better. All right, so now I kind of got a little bit more grip with this. So now we're gonna go for something different. Like, let me see here. Let me try that one more time. I'm stubborn like that. Oh God. The quality of the chopsticks.
He's teaching a lesson, Allie, on how to pick up the grain with chopsticks, and he couldn't quite get it.
You have a good hold there. See how colorful this one is? It's my favorite.
It's gorgeous. I don't want to eat it.
I know. I wanted you to get it so you could take a picture.
Oh, thank you, Allie. Thank you. Oh, that looks beautiful. And now I'm going to pull a picture out of this.
I have the little things to help you out with the chopsticks.
We'll take two of those. I want one too, Allie. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Hey, try it again, eh? Try it.
I get a sushi roll pretty easy. Look.
Everybody clap. Thank you, Nas. Thank you, Nas. Thank you, Layla.
To pick up that note, you can pick something like that up
Yes.
with these sticks.
Yes.
You know what you're doing. You're really,
Okay.
really good.
Okay,
You can go
okay.
like a class, like a teacher class.
Okay.
I can do it.
Okay.
It's gonna take a little bit of time.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? We don't have that. We have a short video.
Okay.
I'm doing something big.
Yes.
But yeah, this is how you do it.
Okay. Thank you, Avery.
Anytime.
What is Allie bringing us?
Something to help pick up stuff with Chopsticks.
Okay.
I think they tie them together. Yeah, y'all gonna be the ones that's tied up.
Okay. Okay. So she's gonna bring something to help us.
So
Okay.
you're gonna put these on your chopsticks.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you how.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the yellow one.
Okay. Hold on,
This
Nazi.
one's yours. You just stick them on in the middle though. So like,
I have never seen that.
see? And you can move them down if you need to.
Oh.
Now they're like perfect. You don't have to like really know how to do it.
Wait a minute, Allie. They call that a hack. That's a hack for a
I
job.
call them just in case.
Okay. That's a good one.
Never know.
Thank you. Yes. Yes. Let me see, Nazi. Let me see. Oh, wow. Wait. Where did mine go? She got mine. Oh, thank you. And thank you. Okay. Okay, guys. This is it. Oh, thank you. That is amazing, guys. Avery, are you going to show us again how she did it?
Yeah.
Do we keep those?
No, you squeeze them together, then you put them on. That's special now. That's the
Oh, thank you. Okay, guys. Let's see him work his. Oh, he doesn't need his. Thank you, Avery.
Let's do a challenge. This.
Okay. Thank you.
Eat all our food.
Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for teaching that. Bye. Okay, guys, this is the end of the mukbang, and so I decided to treat myself to a cheesecake, and this is a Florida Key West cheesecake. So this is the end of the bad eating. Well, this is good eating, but it's just that when you're doing a mukbang and you are eating poorly because you're eating too much. Okay, because we're doing the midnight gym tonight, and I'm going to eat this cheesecake up. This is mango sauce, guys. And you want to try it? It's so good.
Okay, you know that, man.
I'm going to tear this up. And I am going to work out tonight. My battery is up.
Yeah, you got a little bit of battery
I'm going to say I'm going to eat until it's bye, guys. Thank you for joining me for this mukbang. And I really, if you watched until now, I really appreciate it. And we love you.